Hi, Comet Room friends, it's Miss Heidi. Today's learning activity is laundry time. The main objective of this video is using your fingers and your hands. Some other things that you may learn is persistence and connections and conversations, new words and vocabulary words, language. So here are some questions, moms and dads, you may ask yourself while doing this activity with your children. How your child uses his fingers and his hands while washing and rinsing the clothes, and either by using the clothespins, or you may use a hanger or hang them over a rail, or you may help them put them in the dryer if that is... It just depends on what supplies you have at home. So those are some ways you can hang them. And then the other questions are, how does your child interact with you and your family while doing the activity? And what new words have they learned? So I have here a bucket. Well, actually 2 buckets. One we will put the soap in, and one we rinse with. And then Miss Heidi has clothespins. And she has, let's see, a clothesline. See Miss Heidi's clothesline? So she has a clothesline. And soap. If you don't have baby clothes, like the learning activity says that we sent home, you can have them wash one of their shirts or some socks. Okay, my Comet Room friends, have you ever seen your grandma or moms or anyone ever wash their clothes by hand? Now we're going to use some mild soap. You can use baby shampoo or just a mild soap. I have like a sensitive skin, soap that I'm going to use in this first bucket. So I'm going to open it up, put a little bit of soap in there in the one bucket, and the other one we're using clear for the rinse. All right, Comet Room friends, let's see. Can you swish the soap? What happens when we swish the soap and the water together, when we swish it together? Look, Miss Heidi has some bubbles. Can you make bubbles in your water, friends? All right, I'm going to put the shirt in the soapy water, and I'm going to wash it. See? Wash it. Wash it with the soap. Get it nice and clean. Okay. And then once you're done, you're going to put it in the water and rinse all the soap out. Get all the soap out. Okay. And then when we're done, okay. Ooh, look. See how the water's dripping from the shirt? All right, we need to dry it, wring it out like a washer would. A washer wrings out. So we're gonna use our hands. Watch Miss Heidi, she's gonna wring it out. Here we go. I'm gonna take it, squeeze out all the water. Look at the water drip. Can you do that? Can you squeeze it and twist your baby clothes and wring out all the water? Can you use your fingers and hands like that? Wring it out. All right. So next, Miss Heidi is going to hang it on our clothesline. Okay. So I'm going to throw it over here real quick. See, Miss Heidi's putting it over here. And I'm going to grab my clothespins. See, friends? Now watch. Mercedes going to push down on these two ends. See it open? She's going to clip. One side. Okay, open. And then when you shut them, look, watch what happens, friends. It closes. So that's what we want to do. Have you ever seen any grandmas or mommies and daddies hang clothes on a clothesline? Look here. I pushed open. And let go. Uh-oh. Let's try again. We did it! We washed some clothes together and we hung it on the clothesline. Yay! Mercedes gonna kiss her brain. She did it. And that's how we do laundry time. I hope you have fun engaging and talking about the different ways you wring and look at the water drip down and making the soap. Have fun with your laundry time experiment and enjoy the beautiful weather. Until next time, I wish you well, friends. Bye.